Well, we are walking home now, and it is snowing. I don't know if you can see, but it's snowing. Hi. See? Oh, tabi. Hindi makita yung snowfall eh.
Ano ba? Nakaharap sa'yo eh.
Eh, syempre, para makita ko, mamonitor ko kung ano yung ano. Ayan, I don't know if you see the snow. It's snowing.
Kita mo yung snow.
Ayan. See the snow? See the snow? See the snow? Snow. Snow everywhere.
Bilis naman.
Okay, there's the snow. Some more snow over there. Snow. And, okay, enough of the snow. Bye-bye.
Mukha mo nakuha eh.
O yan, sige, mukha mo naman, oh. Sige, sa YouTube mo naman i-upload yan eh.
Yung
Ayan.
snow.
Ha?
Hindi ko nakikita yung
Madilim eh. Hindi makikita yung snow.
Ayan, sa liwanag. Ayun o.
Ayan. I don't know if you can see. I hope you can see para matahimik si Twinkle. Baka madulas ako. Madulas ang snow. Ayan. O, ayan, maliwanag na ako. Ayan. Hihi. Pauwi na kami. Enough. Bye-bye. O, ayan. Ikaw huling mukha.